Hello everybody, me Alex. I hope you are doing great. Sunday, beautiful weather, the 20th of October. Going to the river, and there was first snow on the ground, but it has completely disappeared, melted. Now you can see green grass, and when you are surrounded by such a beauty, okay, you want to think about philosophy. So Russia, beautiful, amazing Russia, and well, I'm not somebody who can tell you a lot about us Russians, and of course I wouldn't like to say something in a national matter. I think it's a close theme. We people who live here from all nationalities, and no, it's not a theme about Russia as a superpower. No, okay, I'm talking about beauty of Russia, and probably I have got a slightest permission to talk about it. Why? Because I'm 60, I was born here, I traveled not much, but I saw something in my life, and probably I can compare, and I don't want to compare. I just want you to enjoy this beauty around me. And when we talk about Russia, first of all, of course, it's a Russian soul. What is it, Russian soul? Again, it's not a question which I can answer, but look, if you are born here, if you can feel and hear all this beauty, you are blessed. And if you are blessed, if you have soul, we have access to this beauty. We can understand why we have great Russian literature, why we have great Russian poetry, we have great Russian painters, and as I told you many times, there ahead near the river there's a place where a lot of Russian painters lived, and one of them is my good friend, and he's a freak in some way. That's why I love him so much, and he's a freak, and when he runs to draw, to paint his picture, he's so funny. Well, with its pellets under his armpits, he runs to the commuter train to Sergeyev Posad, where we have Russian literacy, and probably the way he behaves, it's a real Russian behavior, to be probably open, not completely, to be honest, to be sincere. Okay, don't know what to say else. Probably a bit later, when I'll make another stop, we continue our discussion. See you a bit later, Alex. Love you.